Welcome once again to our Tagalog learning lessons. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, author of Speak Tagalog, a Basic Primer. This is my first book among my 22 books. Yes, 22. And my mom, right here in front of the book cover, of my beloved mom's cookbook I entitled Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, my Speak Tagalog book published by outskirtspress.com, all online stores worldwide, all bookstores. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, and my second website is juanitagutierrez.com. For those of you who are asking what BSCD means and MSCD, this is Bachelor of Science in Education. I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. And I was chosen to be the youngest English professor at the university as soon as I graduated, and also at the Manila Public Schools, journalism teacher and school paper advisor. And then here in New York City, when I'm an New York City school teacher for so many years, MSCD, Master of Science in Education. I graduated at Fordham University here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am. And this little board is a gift from my students who is a Filipino. A Filipina actually, and a valedictorian in our school. So Filipino students are very hardworking students. And welcome once again to our Tagalog, one of the official languages of the Philippines, Tagalog language learning. And yesterday we studied the parts of speech. Parts in Tagalog, bahagi of ng. Speech, pananalita. First syllable pa, second syllable na, third syllable na, fourth syllable li, and fifth syllable ta. Pananalita. Parts of speech, bahagi ng pananalita. Yesterday we discussed the 9 parts of speech or bahagi ng pananalita. Today we're going to focus on the number 1, the first parts of speech, bahagi ng pananalita. Una, noun. In Tagalog, noun is pangalan. Pangalan. This is noun in English. What is noun? Ano ang pangalan? Ito ay salitang ginagamit sa pagtukoy ng ngalan ng tao. Ngalan, name, ng of tao, person, bagay, thing, pook, place, hayop, animal, pangyayari, events, pakiramdam, emotions. So noun is pangalan in English. And these are words being used to name or indicate names, ngalan ng tao. Noun is of tao, person, bagay, thing, pook, place in English, hayop, animal in English, pangyayari, events in English, pakiramdam, emotions in English. So these are the examples of noun or pangalan in Tagalog. So that's the first parts of speech. And so examples of noun or pangalan in Tagalog. Ngalan, name. Maria. Tao. Person. Joseph. Bagay, thing. Pencil or board. Pook, place, New York City. United States of America. Philippines, Canada. Hayop, animal. Cat. Pangyayari, events. U.S. elections or weddings. Pakiramdam, emotions. Happiness. So these are just examples of noun. In Tagalog, pangalan. Salitang ginagamit, words being used sa pagtukoy in indicating ng ngalan ng tao, name of person in English, bagay, thing in English, pook, tama po, excuse me please, pardon me, pook, place, hayop, animal, pangyayari, events, pakiramdam, emotions. So I hope that you enjoy that, and see you in the next video. We will discuss the next parts of speech. After noun is panghalip. Take good care. This is Miss Gutierrez. God bless you all. Thank you so very much. In Tagalog, pagpalain tayo ng may kapal. Thank you very much in Tagalog is marami pong salamat. Take good care. See you all again. Magkita uli po tayo. Have a wonderful day always.